If you're looking for a practical way to learn Airtable formulas, then this video is for you. My name is Max Bernstein with Industry Automations, and we make custom Airtable bases for music industry clients. In this video, we're going to show you how to transform data scraped from the web via Apify into a computer legible value that you can use within your base. And if you stick around to the end, I'll share with you the worst kept secret that will change the way you learn Airtable formulas forever. All right, you recall from last video that we scraped the follower counts from TikTok profiles into our base. Problem is, the value comes in the exact way that value is expressed on the website. In this case, 56,700 is expressed as 56.7 capital K, 56.7 K. There's not much we can do with that now that we have it in our base, so we have to transform the way that this displays using Airtable formulas. All right, step one, we want to separate the two pieces of this string of characters that matter. First piece are the first four characters, 56.7. That value matters. The second one is this capital K. That represents a multiple of 1,000. So let's create two different fields here to express formulas that are going to separate these two important building blocks into separate values. So in this one, we'll call this number side or something like that. Formula. And we're going to simply wrap that whole column in a formula called value. And basically what that does is it extracts the integers, takes away the characters, and here's what you're left with. Now, let's also format it so that there's one decimal place so it can resemble the way it's been transmitted. And there you go. You've got 56.7 as your value. Now, we need to express the capital K as what? As 1,000. So let's open up another field, and we'll call this number side, and we'll call this the letter side. We got a formula. Now, let's find the letter K in the string follower count. And we'll just start with that. And you see it's the fifth character from the left exists the character or the string of characters that we're looking for. Then we highlight that, we cut it by hitting Command X, and we say if the K exists, the way we express that is by saying greater than 0. So if the character where capital K exists in this string is greater than 0, then return 1,000. Otherwise, let's just return 1. Okay? So there you go. You see in this value, now you've got the 1,000 returned, and in this value, in this record, you've just got the 1 because it doesn't have a K up there. All right. Then we want to combine them both, right? 56.7 times 1,000 will give us the value that we need. It will give us the value that we can then use in other math formulas and to chart or graph growth of these metrics across time throughout our base. So we can open up a third formula. and we're going to call this follower count C, right? C stands for clean. You can call it however you like. And this is simply going to be number side times letter side. Boom. And what do we got? 56,700. Now, I don't expect every time that you want to do this for you to open up 3 unique fields in your table. That could get ugly. So let's just combine them. Okay, so let's take this information. We're going to copy it. We've got this information, and let's do the formula right in here. Boom, confirm the change. There you go. There's your 56,700. We can remove the decimal point. We can copy the name of this field, then delete this field, then delete this field, change the name of this combined field, and there you go, 56,700. Now we've got something to work with. Now, if you are a user of TikTok, you know that when a creator's follower count gets into the millions, what happens? It starts to say 1.2 M, capital M. And you want this formula to be able to handle both, such that if it finds something in the K, if it finds the K, times it by 1,000. But if it finds the M, times it by 1,000,000. We're not going to cover that in the scope of this video. In fact, I will challenge you for that to be your homework, such that once you have this built, I want you to figure out a way to have it properly multiply by 1,000 or 1,000,000, depending on whether it says K or M. Now, if you're asking me, how the heck am I going to do that? The answer is with the worst kept secret about Airtable formulas. And that is that in the website documentation, not only does Airtable offer you a full and comprehensive summary of all formulas, what they do, how they are meant to be written and implemented, etc., etc. But they also give you access to a demo base that you can copy and use on your own workspace. So I'm going to link this URL in the description. I suggest that you come over here, check out some of these amazing formulas that they've got. And then I would say, click on that view larger version. And here you go. You've got a base. Click copy, and it'll get right into your workspace. And now you can, on your own time, check out all these different formulas and what they do. Read the common errors. And then they split them all out by different types and examples. For instance, text functions, logical functions, numeric functions, date, regex functions, record functions, array functions. All right, that's it for this video. If you guys find something in here that doesn't make sense or that you want further clarification on, you just let us know in the comments, and we'll consider making a dedicated video about it. All right, this is Max Bernstein with Industry Automations. See you in the next video.